आदाब, सलाम, प्रणाम सभी आईआईटीज को। मैं आदित्य सिसोदिया, जनरल सेक्रेटरी कल्चर अफेयर्स, इंटर आईआईटी कल्चरल मीट 8.0।
23 IITs competing across 13 cups.
For the past 7 years.
4 silver,
3 gold.
Now it is time where we bring back the balance.
The goal is simple, for IIT Bombay to reclaim the cup.
Hi, I am Shishir Lal, the contingent leader for Inter IIT Cultural Meet 8.0.
मैं आदित्य गुप्ता, contingent leader from IIT Bombay.
I'm Sitadi, the Institute Cultural nominee.
My name is Arjun Gupta, Institute Culture nominee PG.
I'm Dinesh Patel. I'm the Institute Cultural nominee.
For all the rivals seeing this, move on करना तो tough होता है, but आपको तो 7 साल से आदत है.
Inter IIT Cultural Meet is not only about talent, it's about the dedication, the passion and the creativity, and also the people who have a single goal to win.
All the best to the hosting and competing IITs, because in the end, it's all about who wants it more.
So everyone, let's advance forward, connect bridges and aim for the gold. लाला कैबिनेट साफ कर, एक और गोल्ड आ रहा है।
Hello, I'm Anuvin and I'm this year's music genre captain, and I'm from IDC third year, and I'm leading a team of 20 of the campus best musicians, and we are competing in band performance, solo vocals, classical vocals and pair on stage. And in band performance we are doing 3 songs, 2 covers and 1 original composition. The covers are Rashtrajit by Anirudh Verma, and Vultures from Pineapple Express, and the OC we are doing is New World Order, and it's currently still in the makes, and this year it's going to be much of a blast. I've been a performer last 2 years, and this year I decided to take a step back from performance and decided to take my role as the genre captain, and we brought home the cup last year, and we are deciding on keeping the cup and bringing it back home and securing our position as the best musical talent on the country.
Hi, I am Jobel, the genre captain for Inter-IIT Design. So our team has been doing progressively well. 2 of our events prompts has already come for 3D animation and online graphic design. So they're working on that. As for the offline event, we have scheduled practice and are going according to schedule. We are still in the early stages of our practice. So we are right now focusing on sharpening the skills of each and every member. And later we'll focus more on collaboration and documentation. So this time, digital arts is different from photography. So we are very excited to prove our worth. And yeah, let's see what happens.
Hi, I am Soumya. Fine arts has always been our passion, and here we हमारे जो contingent है वो बहुत ज़्यादा passionate है अपनी art और उस art को लेके, and whether it be costume design, canvas painting, charcoal painting or live sketching, like people are crazy and working really hard, because last year we won the Fine Arts Cup, so this time stakes are quite high, so we are practicing twice, like practice बहुत ज़्यादा high intensity पे चलेगी इस बार, and stage is all set, themes have been released, so this time we are thinking to go crazy, like people are dedicating way much, too much, like बहुत passionate है, like अब ठीक है.
Hi guys, I am Aman Godara, the genre captain of the fashion team. Our team has always been one of the strongest at Inter IIT, and I am proud to say that fashion has been winning for the last 4 years. Last year we score of 100 on 100. This year the team is incredibly supportive, motivated and rigorously practicing day and night. We have already started our design work, and creativity coming from the design team is on another level. You'll definitely see some amazing concepts and fresh ideas on the stage this year. Overall, I am very enthusiastic and confident about aiming for another goal with the energy, dedication and team spirit we have right now. I believe we will fully ready to bring the trophy home again.
Hello guys, I'm Kaushik, culinary genre captain, and this is Omi, our head chef. So you might be wondering why I'm holding a kid. So इस बार हमारे contingent में एक PhD student है who is a mother. So we believe that everybody should get a chance, and everybody should be representing Inter IIT for the cult, tech and sports everything. So we are giving a head start to that. And इस बार हमारे practices काफ़ी अच्छे चल रहे हैं. इस बार हमारा जो theme है वो है fusion of Indian dishes. So we have prepared various dishes for that, and also our mixology practices are also going really well. We are trying mocktails and all. So yeah, इस बार मैं और मेरे हेड शेफ इंश्योर करेंगे कि इस बार culinary कप हमारे पास आए.
Hello everyone, I am Piyush and genre captain for लितराती and speaking arts हिंदी. और बताए तो बड़े तहजीब वाला जॉनरा है और उतने ही तहजीब से इस बार भी हम ट्रॉफी लेना चाहेंगे. पिछले कुछ सालों से हमारे जॉनरा का थोड़ा सा डाउनफॉल चल रहा था, बट इस साल आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी ज़ोरों शोरों से हमारी तैयारियाँ चल रही है और उतने ही ज़ोरों शोरों से हम इस बार भी ट्रॉफी उठाएंगे और वी विल मेक श्योर कि हम अपना बेस्ट दे के आए और वहाँ से अपना जो भी मेमोरीज़ है जो सब है बेस्ट दे के आए. बाकी यही कहूँगा कि हमारी आवाज़ नहीं, हमारा इरादा बोलता है और हम मन जीतने नहीं आ रहे, हम मन झुकाने आ रहे.
So hello, myself Meet Vanja and I'm the genre captain of Comic Arts this year. So since the IIT Bombay has been performing consistently well at Inter-IIT Cultural Meet in Comic Arts, so this year also we are hoping for the best. Even last year we had a comedy cup bring home. We had silver and fourth place in stand-up comedy and gold and bronze in improv comedy. So this year also we have been calling external artists for various improv workshops, etc. And apart from that, we are also going regularly for stand-up open mics, and we have our performers have been constantly performing well there as well. And yeah, so we are also hoping to bring Comedy Cup home this year as well. The practices and all are going fantastic. Yeah, so let's hope for the best.
So hello, my name is Chinmay Kare. I'm the current genre captain for Quizzing Arts at Inter-IIT. The quizzing consists of 7 genres this year. So we have the general quiz, sports quiz, TLC, Mela, Helm, India, and Cybestech quiz. These quizzes require you to know pretty much anything and everything on the earth. So us quizzers are constantly researching and finding out new things, and we spend 90% of our time on Wikipedia. This year as always, the contingent is a diverse mix from freshies to fourthies and MTech PhDs as well. Last 2-3 years we finished 3rd and 4th in Inter-IIT respectively, and this year we are gonna aim to go for gold. Preparations for the same have started since before the end sem itself. We've been practicing since say October end time, and we've aimed to keep practices as structured and regular as possible. That involves not just practicing quizzing sets but conducting scheduled researches and discussion sessions, and with that hopefully we will be able to achieve gold this time.
Hello, this is Kesh Sharma, the genre captain of the dance contingent for the Cultural Meet 8.0. This is my 3rd Inter-IIT in a row, and for the first 2 I have come 2nd in the group. The first one we won the overall cup, the last year we came the 2nd. So the fire is even much more higher this year that we have to win it, and not just in the group section, in all 3 of the sections. And for that, yeah, as you can see, we are practicing for like more than 12-13 hours a day, and the team is tired at some moments, but yeah, we sit together, we cheer each other up. The Courage team is really amazing this year, and so yeah, after all that, I am confident about the group dance this year. The prep this year is quite well, and yeah, we are hoping for the results.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Nanoria, genre captain Theatre Arts.
And I'm Pranav, also genre captain Theatre Arts. And तैयारी तो बहुत अच्छी चल रही है, पीछे देख ही सकते हैं. Speaking about the contingent, बहुत एक diverse contingent है. We have new faces, we have veterans, so all in all pretty satisfied with the contingent. And since last year बहुत एक narrow margin से theatre cup था, so we're hoping कि it's not the same.
Yeah, like just like the past years, this year as well, we have an amazing set of directors, amazing cast members, a very good prod team, and everyone is working really hard, either on the stage you can see or the backstage. And to sum up, we are all in for the Theatre Cup and the overall cup.
So my name is Prathamesh Somunchi. I am genre captain for filmmaking arts this year in 2025 for Inter-IIT 8.0 Kanpur. तो हमारा यही है कि जो फिल्म कंटिजेंट है, द फिल्म कंटिजेंट हैव बीन ऑलवेज विनिंग द ट्रॉफी। लास्ट ईयर थोड़ा नहीं जीत पाए, बट दिस ईयर वी आर एमिंग, हम लोग ने हैट्रिक मिस कर दी थी लास्ट ईयर, बट दिस ईयर वी आर स्टार्टिंग द हैट्रिक अगेन। तो ऐसी चीज़ है कि फिल्म जो है बॉम्बे की हवा में ही है, तो हमारे में भी वो आ ही जाती है। बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इट कि बाकी के IITs भी अच्छा फिल्म कर रहे हैं ये बार, एंड फिल्म इज समथिंग एवरीवन लिव्स थ्रू, फिल्म इज समथिंग दैट एवरीवन कैन मेक, बस वो आना चाहिए, क्योंकि अ फिल्म, एवरीवन इज अ फिल्म मेकर व्हेन दे हैव टू आर्टिकुलेट, व्हेन दे नो हाउ टू आर्टिकुलेट देयर आइडियाज। तो वो एक चीज़ है। बट जो हमारा अभी का मोटिवेशन है, वी हैव टू मेक गुड फिल्म। हमको सिर्फ इंटर IIT ही नहीं जीतना, हम लोग को बाकी फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स भी जीतना है, इवन रिकग्निशन चाहिए। जो सिल्वर स्क्रीन का रेपो है, जो IIT बॉम्बे का फिल्म क्लब का रेपो है, इट नीड्स टू बी बेटर अगेन। वी नीड टू grow as filmmakers ourselves and to make another generation of filmmakers as well.